Ah, argument of zero, that is syntax. Syntax. Argument of zero ante it's a web element references. Argument of zero ante login button dot click అని అర్థం. Login button dot set attribute అని అర్థం. సో అది సింటాక్స్, అది సిలీనియం కోడ్ అలా ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ బై ఐడి ఇలాగే ఎందుకు రాయాలంటే ఇది అలాగే రాయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ సింటాక్స్. ఓకే, so let's discuss about I want to implement. So I have written a program and my client is asking to produce the test evidences of this program. So yesterday we have seen a reporter one class, customize emailable report. Okay, so just a minute, where is this package? So let me copy this program, copy, and I'm pasting in my customize emailable report. Copy and paste. Not this one. So we know how to write set of driver instructions. Now I want to do customize emailable report. So first step, what I need to do, I have to import my reporter class. So that is the point I want to do. So I'm going to import my reporter class. Import. What is my package name? This one. F2. So I'm copying my package name. Import package name dot my reporter one class. So this is the class I have imported. So because I want to generate my custom emailable report, so I'm importing this reporter one class, and I want to declare the object reporter. Declare the object for reporter R1 is equal to new R1. Okay, so after that, what is the step I need to write? R1. Okay, R1 dot, what is the method I am writing? So just a minute. Yeah, this one. R1 is equal to new reporter 1. So what is my test name? TC01 underscore login 1, or I can write TC01 underscore test 1. Okay, and I have written my R1. So what is the log statement during your KT? The team member, they will tell you need to write the log statements like this, that only. So just you are using the same thing. So after launching my application, your client is asking to take the snapshot. So you can write open orange HRM. And after that, you can copy this line, enter username, entered username. So this snapshot will be captured. And after this, entered password. Okay, and after that, after clicking on login page, where the page will be there, it will be navigated to home page. So home page navigated to home page, just right wherever the control is there, navigated to home page. I have written my set of driver instructions. Okay, and I have done my reporting part is completed. So now let me generate my testng.xml. So what is my program? TC01 underscore login. So yeah, test1 underscore login. I'm generating my testng.xml, convert to testng, and browse my package. Okay, day10. Customize emailable report, this wrap, and I'm clicking on next, and I'm clicking on finish. So it is asking to overwrite it. Okay, So let me open my testng.xml. So it has been generated for test1 underscore login. So my testng.xml was generated. Now I'm running my program through testng.xml. So then only emailable report will be generated. Right. So my program was successfully executed. Okay. And this test1 underscore login. Okay. It was executed. And now let's go to test output folder. Test output folder. Where is that? So this is the test output folder. And I'm opening my emailable report.html with browser. So Control C copy. And I'm opening my Chrome browser. So whatever I have written, tc01 underscore test. So that is the name it came here. And all the steps, whatever, enter username, enter password, and navigated to home page. So that is the line of code it was displayed. Okay, enter password. So that is the screenshot it was captured. And after entering username, it was captured. And after entering navigating application URL, that was captured. To generate this report, okay, in your system also, you have to ensure in C drive, this HTML report folder should be available. Otherwise, because it is looking for the supporting class files. So there is a HTML templates, pass icon, fail icon, and these are required. So which means in your C drive, this HTML report folder has to available. Then only those your program will be executed successfully, and these pass icons and these screenshots and everything will be stored in that location. See, in our program console output also it is showing. So it is the test evidences and everything is showing under this location, C drive HTML report test output folder. So if you go to here, C drive HTML report test output folder here. So here where it is showing test output folder temp screenshots. So it is going to temp screenshots. So just now we have created tc01 underscore test1. Okay, so July 9th. See, these are the snapshots was captured. Okay, so why is my screenshots for generating here itself only in C drive HTML report test output temp screenshots only? Because in my reporter1.java I mentioned. So if you see my in reporter1.java I mentioned in C drive HTML report test output temp screenshots in this locations only all my snapshot it has to be placed. So that is the code it has been written in background in my reporter1.java. Okay, is everyone clear about customized emailable report?
Sir, what if HTML report is saved in D drive?
D drive లో చేస్తే D drive లో వస్తాయి. అప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ reporter1 లో okay. So it is looking, see your reporter1.java file is looking to place the screenshots in this location. So you need to specify in the D drive, you need to specify the HTML report folder, so that the snapshots and everything will be placed under this temp screenshot. Wherever you want to create, so you need to ensure these folders are available. Okay, so that suppose I want to generate it in a D drive. Okay, 1 second. I will copy this line. Okay, so I am going to create in my D drive at this location. Okay, in my D drive there is no HTML folder now. Okay, is there any folder is there? No. So let me create in D drive. What is the folder name I want to create? HTML report. So if I will run my program this time, your program's screenshots and everything will be captured in this folder location. Okay, let me run my program now, testng.xml. So in such a way, my code has been written in reporter1.java. Okay, your program was successfully executed.
So what is the difference between nested report and email builder?
One second. So in D drive HTML report, so your folder was created and snapshots was created. Okay, so like that. Okay, somebody is asking, may I know who is that name? Hello,
Sir,
what is the difference between,
customized email build report and nested report, sir. What
who
is
is
the difference?
asking?
Sir, Bharat, sir.
Bharat. Okay, so what we understood, so totally from the reporting part, what we understood, either it is extend reports or customized emailable report or default emailable reports, what we understood, we are capturing the screenshots and we are going through the test evidences. Okay, in the companies, companies might follow extend reports approach to take the snapshots, or they might follow customized emailable report, or they might follow default emailable report approach, or they might follow their own user defined. So here I have developed reporter one, they might develop some reporter 10.java. So the look and feel will be slightly different. So totally from this reporting labs, what we understood, the snapshots and everything will be generated some HTML report, and all your snapshots, it will be captured. So it will prove you that your test execution, that your test was executed with the required inputs. Okay, and
Okay.
I want to tell you one more thing. The client is asking user, okay, you navigated to application URL, username and password, and after that, but the client is asking why login button was not highlighted. He is asking, okay, so can you please capture the screenshot for login button highlight also, they're asking. Then what I need to do in my program, so after clicking, I cannot it will be navigated to immediately that page. So what I need to do here, so before clicking on the web element, okay, so I won't write click operation, just I will give semicolon here. Okay, and so that it will capture, it will highlight my login web element border will be highlighted in red color. So after that, I will write these 2 lines of code one more time. So this one is for login button highlighted, I'm writing login button highlighted. This one is navigated to home page. So here you need to write dot click, because after clicking on click, it will be navigated to home page. So now it was done. So whenever you will write like this, your web element border will be highlighted, and that snapshot also it will be captured. Now let me run my program. Okay, now let me go back to my program. See in your D drive HTML report. Okay, now let me go back to my D drive. In HTML report, see just now my folder has been created. Okay, so this one 910. Okay, so here it is capturing login button snapshot also. Okay, so now, but if I will check, so from where I have executed directly, right? I haven't executed my emailable report. testng.xml. If I will execute testng.xml, it will be reflected. But 1 second. Yeah, I think I have executed testng.xml only. 1 second. All right. So your login button is highlighted. Okay. So like that. So whatever screenshot client is asking, so you need to write, by writing one log statement, you can capture it everything in a report. Is everyone clear on the reporting part in the customized emailable report? Is still anybody is having any doubts? Okay. Okay. Similarly, for extend reports, okay, just Anyway, this topic I can repeat in tomorrow's class. Okay. So the practical lab exercise I will show you again in tomorrow's class. Suppose if you are facing any of the difficulties, okay, stop me there itself. So I cannot go back and come back like this. Stop me in that class only. I can clear the doubts. So instead of going back and here, you can stop me. You can freely ask me any of your doubts. Okay. Because once I go to the next topic, I cannot come back and I cannot clear your doubts. On the same day, you can do the practice so that all your doubts and everything, and you can watch my videos also. Okay. So that you can understand what I'm telling and everything. It will be clear for you. Okay. So that's it on today's class. Yeah.
సార్ XML ఫైల్లో ప్యాకేజ్ లో ఉన్న క్లాసులన్నీ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం కదా సార్, ఓన్లీ పర్టికులర్ క్లాస్ ని రన్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి సార్?
test1_ login అని రాసాం కదా.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మిగిలిన క్లాసెస్ కూడా రన్ చేయాలంటే అక్కడ క్లాస్ నేమ్ అని మళ్ళీ రాయొచ్చు కదా, అలా అన్ని క్లాసెస్ రాసి ఓన్లీ వన్ క్లాస్.
Our topic those topics will be covered in lab number 14, 15, 16. So 14, 15, 16 వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ టాపిక్స్ చెప్తాను. Okay, if I will club those topics, people will get confused. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే straight forward I am executing a single class. So next classes lo from the testng.xml how we can execute multiple programs at a time అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ అప్పుడు చూస్తాం. ఓకేనా?
Okay sir, I am asking only failed class how to execute, multiple classes how to execute.
అది ఇదిగోండి, execute failed test cases lab number 35. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు ఈ డౌట్స్ అడుగుతున్నారంటే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలిసి ఉండాలి ఈ టాపిక్స్. ఎనీవే దీస్ టాపిక్స్ విల్ బి కవర్డ్ డ్యూరింగ్
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడే నాకు డౌట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి.
Okay. Anyway, this topic will be covered during that time.
Okay.
Okay na? ఇంకా ఎవరికైనా ఏదైనా టాపిక్ లో డిఫికల్టీ ఉందా? సో ఐ థింక్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ రిపోర్ట్స్ మైట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ విల్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్. ఎనీవే ఐ విల్ రిపీట్ దట్ టాపిక్. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ రిపోర్ట్స్, డేటా ప్రొవైడర్స్ లో అందరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారా ల్యాబ్ 1, 5, 6, 7? బికాస్ దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్.
చేశాను.
ఓకేనా? ఎక్కడైతే మీకు వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ హైలైట్ అవ్వట్లేదు, క్రోమ్ బ్రౌజర్ లో వర్క్ అయ్యి ఫైర్ ఫాక్స్ లో వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు అంటే ఆ సెంటికీస్ అక్కడ క్లిక్ ఆపరేషన్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ రాయండి ఇవాళ నేను చెప్పినట్టు. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ ఆన్ ఆల్ బ్రౌజర్స్ ఇఫ్ యు రైట్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటర్. ఓకే. సో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ అనదర్ టాపిక్ టుడే. సో టైం ఉంది, యూ కెన్ స్పెండ్ టైం. ఓకే, బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. వీలైతే హైదరాబాద్ వస్తే మీరు అందరు ఆఫ్లైన్ లో వస్తే మీకు పర్సనల్ అటెన్షన్ తీసుకొని నేను మిమ్మల్ని ల్యాబ్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో మీరేంటంటే రిమోట్ లో ఉండి అంత నేర్చుకోవాలి అంటే ఏదైనా క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో ఉండే ట్రైనింగ్ వేరు, ఆన్లైన్ లో ఉండే ట్రైనింగ్ వేరు. ఆన్లైన్ ట్రైనింగ్ లో మీకు పర్సనల్ అటెన్షన్ ఇవ్వలేము ఎక్కడైనా ఎవరైనా సరే. బికాస్ ఇఫ్ సంథింగ్ వెంట్ రాంగ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ, ఇఫ్ ద డౌట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్డ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ యూ విల్ బి కంఫర్టబుల్. బట్ ఆఫ్లైన్ లో ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు బాగా కంఫర్టబుల్ అవుతారు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు దే ఆర్ క్లియరింగ్ దేర్ డౌట్స్ ఇమీడియట్లీ అండ్ దే ఆర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ దేర్ ల్యాబ్స్. సో ఇదేంటంటే బిగినింగ్ లో అట్లీస్ట్ మీరు 15 to 20 టాపిక్స్ దాకా కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేదాకా మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారనుకోండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ప్రోగ్రెస్ బై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఓకేనా? సో ఏ విధంగా చూసినా మీరు ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ లో ఆ గ్యాప్ అయితే అలాగే ఉంటుంది ఎక్కడైనా సరే. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you everyone. And so many people amount dues unnai. Okay, so from Monday onwards so it will be very strict, so ensure everyone has paid and cleared all your dues. Okay, yeah, that's it for today.
Thank you, sir.